Setting out milk and cookies for Santa Claus is part of the childhood Christmas tradition. Though, just like the history of Santa Claus, this part of the Christmas Eve activities is regional. Milk and cookies are very much an American tradition. Going back to the Great Depression, parents used Christmas as an opportunity to teach their children about charity. They would bake cookies and leave some milk out for Santa Claus to thank him, and as a way to give back for the gifts he would in turn leave the family. It was very much an expression of gratitude. It is said that chocolate chip cookies were considered the usual cookie to leave out for Santa Claus. Though this may be true, chocolate chip cookies were not invented until 1938, which is almost 10 years into the Great Depression. Whatever the exact timeline, chocolate chip cookies have become a great traditional cookie to leave out for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. The chocolate chip cookie was invented by Ruth Wakefield and Sue Brides, while coming up with a different cookie to serve guests at Wakefield's Toll House Inn.